Okay, I think this is where I left the last on the advanced deals. So I'm going to go on to the next deal. The radio's on in the background here. I'll just quieten it down a bit. Okay. So we're in 4 spades. Four spades. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 hearts. I suppose here we have a load of it doesn't look like there's much of a problem. I suppose a poor trump break is an issue. Like we're going to have to rough this. Like there's no point. Now I'm just wondering, what can we do if we go ace of trumps, trump? Ace trumps, trump is a disaster because even if trumps are 3-2, they can cash their 2 trumps and then just cash a load of winning hearts. And if trumps are 4-1, it's even worse. So do we cash the ace of spades and start cashing other winners? I think you hope that trump is worse than 4-1. I think I have enough time though. Let's say they're 4-1, somebody has 3 trumps left. Can't I? I'm a tempo ahead, like I'm ahead on the timing. If I force them to ruff with my minors, they force me to ruff with a major. Actually, no, I don't think I can handle 4-1 trumps, can I? No, I can I? Force them to ruff. They have 2 trumps left? Yeah, I think I can. Probably have to be careful with the timing of the minors as well. Cash 2 tricks in each minor, so they can't discard the other minor. And now I can kind of start cashing whatever minor I want now, I'd imagine. And if trumps are 3-2, that means there's... Hold on, one of them has 1 trump left and the other has 2, so they can only get 2 ruffs in that case as well. No, they can get 3 ruffs. So if they start at 3-2, they can get their ruffs individually, and they can get 3 different ruffs. And if they start at 4-1, the same person gets all the 3 ruffs. Isn't that how it's going to work? So yeah, so he's rough twice. So either this guy is going to get either this guy's going to get rough, or this guy's going to get another rough, because he started with 4 trumps. Okay, he started with 4 trumps, but I mean, if trumps are 3-2, you still lose 3 roughs. Like this guy roughed twice and this guy roughed once. That wasn't. I suppose once you get that one a bit of thought, it wasn't too hard. Because you clearly can't. I'm not sure it doesn't show you the opposition hands, but you clearly can't. I may be speaking too loudly here as well. I'm not. You can't. Can we go ahead in the play? You clearly can't like draw any more trumps after this point here because you're just going to lose complete control of the hand. So I see here now. I'm going to lose a diamond. And I'm going to lose. I'm guaranteed to lose 2 hearts and a diamond. So I have to not lose a spade. Okay, so I don't see any benefit in covering. It's not like I don't really want this guy in lead anyway, because if he comes a spade through and the spade is off, or maybe you want him on lead to come a spade through if the spade is on. You actually need the spade on. But I mean, hold on. Why would he come a spade? He can just keep coming diamonds. If you duck a diamond, maybe ruff a diamond, maybe you can ruff out the ace. Ace king X. That'll cater for one spade loser, maybe. How many times we can get up the dummy? Twice. I suppose when it goes diamond rough, we play the queen of hearts. Somebody wins. Oh, there's actually a second issue here. And that is if the trumps aren't 2-2. The queen of hearts could lose to a singleton king or ace. But it could also be a singleton 10. I'm just going to play low first anyway. I'll take it from there. Can I play a club up and a heart to hand? See, the problem, if you had all the entries, you could play a club up and a heart down and a club up and a heart down. No, you can't finesse a spade. I have to get up there twice to finesse spades, so maybe I have to give up on the idea of... I have to give up on the idea of playing a heart towards my hand, I think. So then, that leaves me with this situation. Do I play for a singleton 10? Or a singleton... If they're 2-2, it's not an issue, I just lose 2 hearts. I suppose it's probably better to play the 9 of hearts, is it, in case he could have the singleton king or the ace. Whereas it's only right to play the queen if he's a singleton 10. I think I absolutely certainly spade finesse. I'm going to finesse a spade, and if it's wrong, I'm just always down. Okay. I feel like there's 2 out of 3 singletons where the 9 of hearts is right. And any 2 hearts be okay. Ooh, I don't like it. Okay. Okay, singleton over there as well. Yeah, it's also possible. Oh man, there's trump promotions and all sorts happening here though. Although if this guy's forced to win it, I'm okay. Ooh, phew. I need... Oh, okay. I need him not to... I was thinking maybe this guy having a singleton. This guy the singleton, okay. I think it's probably a singleton ace or king in any hand as opposed to a specific singleton 10 anywhere. It's probably better, right? And any 2-2 trumps, are you okay? Unless they start getting trump promotions and stuff. Phew! That was actually quite difficult. I might try and go back there, because there are other reasonable lines that I'm not sure are they gonna... Is there always only one line, or will they... Like if you do something like... I can't play a club up and a heart down, because I need to finesse a spade twice. If you do something like this, are they gonna... Are they gonna... Have you going off? Yeah. Yeah, you're just gonna go off. Okay. Next deal. Or is that all of them? I think this is all the advanced deals. Okay, they're going to get ridiculously hard after this, I'd say, because that was hard as it was. So I did do these. So unless I remember clearly, I'm going to go off. I'm probably just going to go off. Six spades. I don't know, this looks actually easier than the other one. I hope that radio isn't coming through too loud. This actually looks easier than the one I just played, like, in that you just, like, eliminate... The plan is to win the club, ruff a club, ace king of diamonds, ruff a diamond. Well, I'm forced to win this, so I'll win this. Um... I just need to get the entries right here now. Spade to the king, ruff a club. Cash. Hold on, I think spade to the king and ruff a club anyway. Okay, there's no way that the guy has enough clubs to overruff this club, like. Or overruff this club, no way. Are you? Okay. So I can play spade, spade, ace diamonds, king of diamonds, ruff a diamond. So this has to be right. So what's the danger in the heart suit? I play... Heart of the ace is probably no good, because if this guy's got queen jack 10, heart of the ace, and then I lose a couple of hearts. Oh no, heart. Hold on, heart of the ace. Actually, is there a situation where ruff and discard is no good to me? Heart of the ace. And a heart to an 8. Will that work? A heart to the ace? The king of hearts isn't right anyway, no way. King of hearts definitely isn't right, because... Hold on, king of hearts... King of hearts, 9 of hearts, lose to the 10. And then you can come to queen of hearts and I actually have another heart lose, so that can't be right. Heart to the ace... Heart and this guy shows out. Heart to the ace. What am I now? Heart to the ace. The king of hearts definitely isn't right now. I know that for an absolute fact. So I'm going to play the 9 of hearts first. If I go up the ace, and let's say this guy shows out, I'm down now, aren't I? Am I down? Ace of hearts. Heart to the 8. Yeah, my hearts aren't good enough, because this guy's still got queen jack 10 if this guy's got singleton low. If he shows out, this guy's still got queen jack 10 over here. If I go up the ace of hearts and play a heart to the king and a heart, if they're 4-1, I'm off. What if I leave the 9 run? If I leave the 9 run and they're 3-2, I'm good. If I leave the 9 run and this guy's got a singleton, he's got to win it and give me a ruff and discard. I think I have to just let this run, don't I? If he wins and he's got a singleton, he gives me ruff and discard. If he wins and he doesn't want to give me a ruff and discard, he's either got 4 hearts to the queen jack 10 or the hearts 3-2. Okay, I think that's what I do. So there's no way this guy can have 4 hearts, so I win it with the ace. Ah, nice, okay. It was still easier than the other one, I think. Was it? I think so. I wonder, are there several ways to do that, actually? Is that the only way? I'm about to run out of time. I'll have to... Oh, man. I'm going to run out of time. I've only got like 20 seconds left. I'll try and put up another another video to see if there's another way to bring in that heart suit for no loser. I'm not sure. Thanks for watching anyway.